Good morning, my dear children. Hope all are doing well at your home. In the previous class, we have started a new lesson, The Parrot Who Wouldn't Talk. Who is the author of this story? Yes. Come on, tell me. It is Ruskin Bond. Ruskin Bond, the famous Indian writer. And where did we stop? Yes, Parrot took off the Aunt Ruby's spectacle. Aunt Ruby became unfriendly with the parrot and she stopped to feed the parrot. And who took that responsibility? Yes, our little child, Ruskin Bond. And the parrot was quite happy to receive the food from little child. One day afternoon, all were a short nap. The cage door was open and this parrot flew away. Then after that, they thought it will not come back. Parrot won't come back. And Aunt Ruby was little upset because she lost her parrot. But Grandpa offered her they will buy a bowl of goldfish. Then she was okay. And after many days, one day when Ruskin Bond was in the veranda, he saw our parrot is sitting on the bush. And Aunt Ruby also saw that and she screamed, "See, our parrot came back. It might be miss me. That's why it came." When the parrot saw Aunt Ruby, it began to talk. "What? You are ugly. You can't sing. You can't dance." Who said? The parrot. Look at the Andy and said, "You are ugly. You can't talk. You can't dance." Aunt Ruby became Red Ruby. Means she became very angry and rushed inside the house. After that, every day it came in their house. Whenever the parrot sees Aunt Ruby, it started to talk. "You are ugly. You can't sing. You can't talk." Why? Because Aunt Ruby only taught these nasty comments to the parrots. And it learned that. And whenever it sees the Aunt Ruby, it will begin to speak. Okay, this is the story. The parrot who wouldn't talk. Okay, let's learn the remaining part of the lesson. Children, take your textbook and come to page number 56. Where did we stop? Here. I got to eat a couple of mangoes while feeding the parrot. Now let us learn the remaining part. Okay. One afternoon, while everyone was enjoying a short nap. One afternoon, what's the time? Afternoon time. While everyone was enjoying, everyone means Grandpa, Grandma, Aunt Ruby, all was enjoying a short nap. Short nap means short sleep, afternoon sleep. I gave the parrot its lunch and then purposely left the cage door open. I gave the parrot, Ruskin Bond gave the parrot its lunch. What is the, whatever he is giving, that. And then purposely left the cage door open. Purposely means do something knowingly. Not by mistake, do something knowingly, purposely. Left the cage door open. because Ruskin Bond also doesn't like to keep a parrot in the cage. Seconds later, after some time, the bird was flying freely into the mango orchard. The bird was flying freely into the mango orchard. Okay, mango orchard means mango garden. Grandfather came onto the veranda and remarked, I see your aunt's parrot has escaped. But grandfather saw this one and he said, I see your aunt's parrot has escaped. The door was quite loose, I said with a shrug. With a shrug means with a slight movement of the shoulders. What's the meaning? To say he doesn't know. Well, I don't think we will see it again. And he added this one also. Well, I don't think we will see it again. Aunt Ruby was upset at first. When Aunt Ruby came to know about this one, she was upset at first. But we promised, we means here grandpa, grandma, Ruskin Bond and all promised to buy her what? A bowl of goldfish. She was upset first, but they promised to buy her a bowl of goldfish. The parrot probably missed its green chilies. The parrot probably means maybe missed its green chilies, because the parrot was quite happy to receive green chilies and red tomatoes from Ruskin Bond's hand. A few days later, after a few days, I found it sitting on the veranda railing. One day, Ruskin Bond found it sitting, the parrot sitting on the veranda railing, looking expectantly. Expectantly means with a hope for something good. Expects for something good. Looking expectantly at me with its head cocked to one side, bending to one side. I gave the parrot half of my mango. Who gave? Ruskin Bond gave the parrot half of his mango. While the bird was enjoying the mango, the bird was eating the mango, that time Aunt Ruby called out. Aunt Ruby saw and called out, Look, there is my parrot. It must have missed me. And she screamed. What? With a loud squawk. Loud squawk means loud voice. Look, there is my parrot. It must have missed me. But what parrot did? The parrot flew out of her reach. She can't catch it. The parrot flew out of her reach, perched on the nearest rose bush, and sat on the nearest rose bush, glared at Aunt Ruby. Glared means stared angrily, looked angrily. Glared, stared, looked. Okay, angrily at Aunt Ruby and screamed. Then parrot screamed by looking very angrily in my aunt's familiar tones. By imitating aunt's familiar tones, you are no beauty, can't talk, can't sing, can't dance. Aunt Ruby went ruby red and dashed indoors. Aunt Ruby became very angry. When ruby red means, ruby means a precious stone, its color is dark red, and she became like that, red color, angry. Dashed indoors. Dashed means rushed indoors. But that was in the end of it. It did not finish. The parrot became a regular visitor. Every day the parrot used to come there. Whenever it saw Aunt Ruby, it would call out what? You are no beauty, can't talk, can't sing, and can't dance. The parrot had learned to talk after all. After that, the parrot had learned to talk after all. Okay, children? I hope you understood the story. Okay, read it 3 times very well. Thank you.